phonetics, perfect sound of alphabet, right, clear pronunciation of alphabet, get started. A. Listen, here, will, be, instead, A. For example, rain, pain.
Understand the English language clearly.
It is very important to know the pronunciation of the English alphabet, like the English alphabet.
You also need to know when the English pronounce which letters or when they do not pronounce which letters.
Today's video is for you to understand English clearly,
so that you can understand English news, English dialogue, pronunciation clearly, or if you do not know English, then you have to face many problems when you go abroad for job, business, travel and other needs.
For example, suppose you went to work abroad. The person who brought you abroad for work with a visa asked you, "What kind of work can you do?" You did not understand his language. You guessed it yourself and answered in your own language, Bengali, Hindi, or any other language.
That my name is Akash Sarkar, my father's name is Litin Sarkar.
Then he got angry and asked again that, "Do you know how to drive a private car?"
You did not understand his language, and he replied again that my home is Bangladesh and I stay in that house.
Or you went to a restaurant abroad to eat this food and the waiter asked you, "What would you like to eat, sir?" Taking some guesses, he said in his own mother tongue, "I will eat rice."
Then you made some assumptions. You answered in your mother tongue and said, I will eat rice, because you cannot speak English at that time.
The waiter did not understand your language and he showed you straight to the bathroom.
If this happens, think about what the situation will be.
Let's learn the English alphabet like the English to understand clear English words and sentence.
Dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Clear pronunciation of alphabet, get started. A. Listen, here, will, be, instead, A. For example, rain, pain, next, B, C, D, E, F. Listen here, the upper teeth should touch the lower lip when pronounced like this, if. Then G, H, I, J. Listen here, will, be, instead, J. Next, K. Listen here, will, be, instead, K. Next, L, M, N, O. Listen here, will, be, instead, O. Next, P. Listen here, will, be, instead, P. Next, Q. Listen here, will, be, instead, Q. Then, R. Listen here, English people pronounce it in many cases when they speak. In many cases, they do not pronounce it. For example, read, brother, S, T. Listen here, will, be, instead, T. Next, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Listen here, will, be, instead, G or Z.